right, guys, we have our model. She is back from all the traveling. She's been all around the world and she finally came back to shoot with me. And other photographers too, of course. But we're doing some fitness today. Right now, I got a little I have a 4-light setup going on. Got the Nanlite Pavo Tube over here. I have 2 Zhiyuns over here, and I have the key, as you can see. It's way too bright, but I have the Zhiyun 500V. It's way too bright. I'm probably out of focus. So good. This is going to look so sick. I'm happy. I'm happy. This is gonna look sick. We'll do some standing up to get the outfit itself. Then we're gonna bring in some weights, exactly, and then we'll keep moving around. 2, 1. Especially the way the lighting is coming in. This is sick. This is perfect, Daddy. Yes. Yep. 2. Perfect. 3, 2. Let's get a detail shot. 3, 2, 1.
The poses are there.
You'll see. Let me just show you. We literally already did a whole photo shoot.
Oh my god, they look so good.
Let's do something like that. Perfect.
I want to try to do something like
Yeah, you should.
like selfie or something like, I don't know. I think you.
Oh, I got you. This one, let's go on the other side so that way we can show the Nike.
Oh.
Yep, just like that.
Oh, here.
Right there. 3, 2. Perfect. 3, 2, yes. Let's do 1. So you're gonna go, you see your right leg, you're gonna be right here, you're gonna say 3, 2, and you got the weight on your left. So 3, 2, 1, like that. And then your hand, left hand is gonna go back, right hand forward. So like that. Because you would really do like this, but I don't want you to cover the Nike side. So we're just gonna go like this instead. Exactly. 2 and 1. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Right leg is gonna be left, so.
Or like a jump.
You wanna try a jump? Yeah. Let's try it. 1. One. We got it.
That's perfect.
Let's do some here, and then also let's do some like this too, like fixing the sock, and then we can do one where you're like that, but then move it around. Yeah. 1. Perfect. Yes. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Now I'm gonna give you a little dumbbell. Let's do a 10. And then this one you're gonna be like doing like a bicep curl. Do it with your left arm. Chin up a little bit right there. Perfect. And then you can look at the bicep. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And now, yep, pretend like you actually gonna curl it. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then look at me right now. Sick.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
We can have it on the floor, and then you just sit down. I'm just gonna get a detail shot of the Nike. Yep, just like that, actually. 3, 2, 1. She's actually, let's do a video of you right here doing some like bicep curls. Then we could do some of you standing up without it. And then we can go and do some more with the machines. And 1. Perfect. Perfect, hold that. Let's see. 1, yep, perfect. Three, 2, 1. Perfect, and then hold that. Two, 1. Nice, okay. Now we'll do the, and 1. Perfect. 5 seconds.
Okay.
Like, boom. Just for 5 seconds.
So like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like toe taps. 2, 1. Got it.
Was perfect.
2, 1. Perfect. And then I'll have you stop for 1 second.
Was right now.
That was perfect.
No one will call it right. Personal trainer. Just like
Exactly. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then keep going. I'm gonna just grab some detail. Got it. This looks so sick. I'm gonna show you.
this is so sick.
1. Perfect, and then do one more, and just stop and look at the camera.
Okay, when I go, then I
Yep, and just how you are right there is perfect. So you're gonna go here, 1, and then yep, second one, and then, nope, you're good, you're good. So you're gonna do 1 regular, and then the second one, yep, 3, 2, 1. Perfect, hold that. Yeah.
Like me face.
Yeah, I love that. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1.